Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for October 12th, 2013. It's currently 8:40 a.m. and we have improving conditions throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. There's still going to be a threat for a few showers, especially from New York City on south, but most locations will be drying out today and tomorrow with scattered cloud cover and cool temperatures. For the interior, we have temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the extreme northern interior, mid to upper 50s over northeastern Pennsylvania and central and southern Connecticut, and over the New York City metropolitan area, mid to upper 50s, and the Philadelphia metropolitan area, lower 60s. Today's highs are going to range anywhere from the lower to mid 60s, especially over portions of the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Look for around 65, 66 degrees. New York City metropolitan area anywhere from 63 to 65. So it's going to be a nice, pleasant day out there for most locations. Again, you got to watch out for a few isolated to widely scattered showers rotating in from the Atlantic. But otherwise, you're dealing with scattered cloud cover and winds from the northeast around 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to 25 at times. On the infrared satellite picture, we have an area of low pressure still anchored over the Delmarva Peninsula. It's weakening, and as a result, the moisture fetch coming in from the Atlantic is also weakening. Stationary fronts kind of hanging out here over the coastal waters around Delaware out to about 300 nautical miles. And that means that we're going to continue to keep unsettled conditions in the area, which means you could have a shower pop up at any time, but it's not going to be a washout for this weekend at all. On the radar, you can see a few of these showers rotating in around Long Island over southern and central New Jersey. But again, this isn't a washout in any way, shape, or form. So if you have plans for outdoors, keep them. Bring an umbrella with you. You get a 20 or 30-minute shower, and that's about it. Otherwise, look for dry conditions, especially over Connecticut. Those of you in Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, northern New Jersey, and northeastern Pennsylvania are probably saying, what storm? It got a little breezy, and that's about it. Fair enough. However, over southeastern Pennsylvania, you're probably saying, I've had enough rain, thank you very much, with over 7 inches of rain on the ground. That is pretty impressive. Now, that rainfall is going to be exiting by tomorrow. The rainfall will be pretty isolated in nature. And you can see why we're seeing a rapid decrease in the precipitation as the moisture fetch from the Atlantic is decreasing and we're starting to see dry air at the mid-levels really take hold throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. But we still have these disturbances moving around, which is why you can't rule out a few showers here and there throughout the next 48 hours. Using the GFS model guidance, from the Penn State EWOL website. Again, there's going to be a threat for a few isolated showers here and there, but this isn't a washout. I want to make that very clear. Just, a isolated to widely scattered shower in the afternoon, no big deal. But if you have any plans for outdoor activities, just be aware of it. Otherwise, dry conditions will remain. For tomorrow, the showers will become even more isolated as our low pressure system starts to exit. Temperatures again ranging from the lower to mid 60s throughout the region. Mid 60s are most likely over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Low temperatures anywhere from the upper 40s to lower 50s. For Monday, we really dry out with high pressure in complete control for the most part. We do have a weak disturbance that will be moving through, could produce an isolated shower, but again, I stress the word isolated here. Otherwise, temperatures will be ranging from the mid 60s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area, lower to mid 60s right along the immediate coast. Over the interior, again, lower to mid 60s as well. Low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. For Tuesday and for Wednesday, dry conditions will be in place as high pressure will be in complete control. Temperatures will be a bit warmer in the mid to upper 60s for highs and lower to mid 50s for lows. For Thursday, a warm front followed by a cold front will move through with scattered showers, possibly a few isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s for lows, mid to upper 60s for highs. I wouldn't be surprised if a few locations push to around 70 degrees, especially in your urban locations like around Newark, Philadelphia, southwestern New Jersey. But most locations will remain right around 68, 69 degrees, with showers on the way by the evening. For Friday, high pressure will be in complete control with much cooler conditions, expecting highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s lows in the mid to upper 40s as a new polar air mass takes hold. That is your forecast discussion. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.